BTS is one of South Korea's most popular K-pop bands, and members have scored ambassadorships from Dior to Louis Vuitton. BTS emerged onto the music scene in 2013 and quickly became one of the biggest K-pop sensations worldwide. The boy band is widely credited with aiding in the global popularity of K-pop, especially in the American market. According to Circle Chart, BTS is the best-selling artist in South Korea, with more than 40 million albums sold worldwide. In 2018, the group became the first act from South Korea to have a song reach #1 on the Billboard Hot 100 with their single, Dynamite. As of 2023, the group has charted 6 #1 Billboard 200 albums, including Love Yourself, Tear, Love Yourself, Answer, Map of the Soul, Persona, Map of the Soul, 7B, and Proof. With their global popularity and South Korea's rising importance to the luxury fashion market, the individual members of the group have racked up their share of fashion brand ambassadorships. WWD takes a look at the individual members of the group and the brands they are ambassadors for. RM has previously expressed disdain for the way many brands present themselves. The K-pop star is known for his more quiet luxury approach, and signed on to be the face of Bottega Veneta's Spring 2023 campaign. J-Hope, Louis Vuitton. In January, J-Hope attended Louis Vuitton's Fall 2023 runway show. In February, the BTS member was named a brand ambassador, and has appeared in ad campaigns for the brand's products, including the best-selling People. He also regularly wears Louis Vuitton looks for his red carpet and public appearances. Iman, Dior and Tiffany & Company. LVMH Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton signed Jimin as a brand ambassador for two of its labels, Dior and Tiffany & Company. In October, Dior debuted its first campaign starring Jimin for Spring 2024. In April, Jimin joined fellow Tiffany & Company ambassadors Zoe Kravitz and Gal Gadot in an ad campaign titled, This is Tiffany. In March, Celine confirmed Kim Taehyung, also known as V, as a brand ambassador for the luxury house led by Hedi Slimane. After months of speculation, his partnership with the house was confirmed when he appeared on the cover of Elle Korea, where he was referred to as the new Celine boy. In July, V scored another brand partnership with jewelry brand Cartier, making his debut with a campaign for the brand's Panthère line. Suga, Valentino and NBA. Adding to BTS' growing list of luxury brand ambassadorships, Valentino named Suga a brand ambassador in January. Outside of luxury fashion, in April, the NBA named Suga a brand ambassador as he is also an avid fan of American basketball. Jungkook, Calvin Klein Jeans. When the spring brand ambassador announcements came rolling in, Calvin Klein Jeans announced BTS member Jungkook as the face of its latest denim campaign. The campaign highlighted the singer wearing the 90s straight denim and body jeans, relaxed fit denim shirt, oversized denim jacket and relaxed fit standard logo crewneck t-shirt. Cook said he's been a longtime Calvin Klein fan. Jin, Atogi Jin Ramen. Jin is completing his mandatory military service for South Korea, but right before he began service, he scored a brand partnership with Atogi Jin Ramen. The commercial for the ramen featured Jin with the tagline, Jin, do you like ramen? Me, I like Jin Ramen. Although he hasn't landed a luxury fashion partnership like some of his bandmates, it's highly expected one will come once he's finished military service. Jin, birthday, iHeartRadio. BTS sings, Happy Birthday, to Jin as they perform on stage during iHeartRadio 102.7 Kiss FM's Jingle Ball 2021 on December 3, 2021, in Los Angeles.